What are you doing, Maddox? Eating Cheerios? Want me to help you? The numbers? Oh yeah. That's good stuff, huh? Nami, what do you have in your hand? There. Open your hand now. Are you able to get it? Almost. Oopsies, it's on your lip. There you go. You got it. Is that a Numi Cheerio? Oh, you're dropping Cheerios all over the floor. Mommy's gonna be so upset, bub. There's another one on the floor. You're getting more on the floor. Oh, there's another one. You're getting more on the floor than your mouth, bub. It's a good thing Mommy's not home yet. Is it good? You sure chew it up really nice. Numbers. Hey, Maddox. Maddox. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.